Now, let me explain the concept of AI credits in CapCut, which are free, and also discuss the pricing plans available on mobile devices. First, we will start by understanding what these AI credits actually are. Let's explore what AI credits in CapCut are. As you can see here, CapCut utilizes a system of AI credits, which serve as internal currency for accessing various AI features effectively. They are spent when you utilize the AI video generator, creating engaging content, or generating images and text, as you can see here. Some engaging text, various images, avatars, and also some interesting AI voice features that enhance your creative experience. Now let's delve into the features in CapCut and the free credits, which are, as you can see, available without any additional costs or credits. What does it provide? A small amount of AI credits, access to basic AI features, and the opportunity to test AI capabilities. There are tools with certain limitations. As you can see here, the generation limit runs out quickly, and sometimes it processes slower. They are suitable for trying out AI to create 1 to 3 easy-to-use videos. Now let's discuss the paid credits, which offer more features and flexibility for advanced video creation. Now let's discuss the plan and what it provides. You get more AI credits each month, along with access to advanced AI models for better results. As you can see here, the AI functions in CapCut generate faster and work more reliably. Now let's discuss the subscription options for additional benefits. Sometimes it offers bonus credits, but as you can see here, with active use, credits can still be consumed quickly, so plan wisely. Faster results are key. Here's an example. We've outlined the pros and cons, detailing what features are available and what might not work as well. It's best to purchase the Pro feature for enhanced benefits. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck and goodbye for now.